In this video, we will see how to install a corner semi-freestanding bathtub. Here are the main steps. Here is a list of the tools and materials you will need, which may vary depending on your installation. Wear protective gloves. The bathtub is equipped with holes to facilitate the installation of the faucets. Position the bathtub in its location. Locate the drain. It must be less than 80 centimeters from the drain plug. Plan for the water supply, copper or multilayer, near the location of the faucet. It is advisable to hire a qualified professional to prepare the drain and water supply. Position the bathtub in its location. Check the level on each side. It must be perfectly horizontal. If the bathtub is not level, you will need to adjust the height of its feet. Unscrew the nut on the foot to be adjusted. Then adjust the height of the foot while checking the level of the bathtub. Once the height has been adjusted, tighten the nut. Repeat this process with the other feet until the bathtub is level. Leave a 1 centimeter gap between the floor and the bottom of the apron. The extra flat, flexible siphon assembly connects the bathtub to the drainage system. It consists of a flexible hose with a flat seal, an O-ring, and an extra flat siphon. Screw the hose to the siphon. Insert the seal between the thread and the siphon nut. Screw the siphon to the drain thread. Place a basin at the end of the hose and pour a bucket of water into the bathtub. Check that there are no leaks on the drain at the joints. Install a foam seal on the parts of the surround that come into contact with the wall. Stick the seal 5 mm from the edge. This will cushion any movement of the bathtub against the wall. On the drain side, place a multi-material connector suitable for its diameter. Tighten the clamp securely. Insert the hose and tighten it using the screw clamp. Depending on the characteristics of your installation, you can also connect the drain by gluing. Sand and dust the parts to be glued. Identify the direction of bonding and apply PVC glue to the drain pipe and inside the sleeve. Insert the sleeve onto the drain pipe. Allow to dry for the time specified by the manufacturer. Apply sanitary sealant to the part of the hose to be inserted into the sleeve. Insert the hose into the sleeve. Before filling with water, allow the adhesive to dry for the time specified by the manufacturer. Apply masking tape on both sides of the joint on the bathtub surround and on the wall. Cut the nozzle at an angle. Insert the sealant cartridge into the gun. Apply a bead of sealant to the joint. Work evenly to ensure a consistent thickness. If possible, apply the silicone sealant with the bathtub filled with water. Smooth the silicone joint, preferably using a special joint smoother. Remove the masking tape. Allow the sealant to dry according to the manufacturer's instructions before filling the bathtub with water. To install the faucets, see our other tutorials.